Hey guys, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the Coolselect Pantry cover on your refrigerator. Let's get started. To get started, we need to remove the left and right bottom door bins. And to do that, you just need to gently lift up on the bottom of the door bin, and it'll come right out. With the door bins out of the way, we'll next remove the left and right crisper drawers. Just pull the drawer out until it stops, then lift up, and it'll slide out the rest of the way. So here's what holds the Coolselect Pantry drawer cover in place. If you open it up, you'll see there's two pieces that go into slots here and here. And then on the ends, there's a pin, plastic pin sticking out on each side that holds it into place. To get this removed, what you need to do is you need to lift up here in the center of the cover. You can see how that lifts the middle of it out of those slots. While you're lifting up in the middle, you'll need to use your other hand, putting pressure on the left side, pushing over this direction. That'll give it just enough clearance to release the pin on the left side and to slide it out of place. So I'm going to lift up with my right hand while pushing over with my left hand until the pin for the cover comes out of the slot. Then the rest of the pantry cover can be removed. If you already have a new pantry cover, great. If you need to purchase a new one, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where you can purchase a new one. To install the pantry cover, you'll start by inserting the right side pin of the pantry cover into the hole onto the right side. To get the left pin into place, use your right hand to push up, use your left hand to push down to flex the cover. This will get the pin started, and then you can slide it until it locks into place. Next, reinstall the two drawers. Just get the drawer started, then lift it up until it slides into the rails, and you can push it into place. Now reinstall the door bins by making sure that the notches on both sides line up with the notches on the refrigerator. Once lined up, you can push down until it locks into place. Hey guys, hope you found this video helpful today. If you did, please hit the like button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more appliance repair videos. Thanks, have a good one.